Dave Gardy here for US Vets TV at the Vet Business Network Veterans Roll Call. And here with me is Bruce Chatterton, who's CEO of a company called American Aeromedical Incorporated, correct?
That's correct. American Aeromedical is going to be the predominant air ambulance within the United States, and as well as developing a new concept to fly veterans throughout the United States that are going to be in need of an air ambulance. That'll be done at no cost, and we're hoping that after our initial round, within the first 5 years, that we're able to give back to veterans about $150 million in air ambulance flights.
And you're a veteran yourself?
Absolutely. I was a combat medic, so this goes all the way back to my very young days.
Give us an overview of what the value proposition is that makes you so much more cost-effective than other solutions for aeromedical transportation.
The biggest part of us is that we're applying all the modern technology that's available. There's a mountain of technology out there. Our aircraft that we're going to be using burn approximately 60 gallons an hour versus our competitors in excess of 200. These are brand new aircraft. They only require a half an hour of maintenance versus 2.5 hours for the 20 to 30-year-old aircraft that are currently in progress. We also are going to have telemedicine. That is to say, you are actually going to be able to visit with your doctor while you're in flight at 41,000 feet. And this is a first. We currently have that patent pending.
So what are you looking for here at the event, and how was the event for you?
Oh, the event was excellent. It's exciting to have this many veterans come together, investors that are interested in veteran initiatives, and I think it went extremely well, and we're looking forward to speaking with a great number of the people that were here.
If people want to find out more about American Aeromedical, where should they call?
I'd like you to call me directly. As the CEO and a veteran, call me at 407-285-2304. That is my personal cell number, and I would love to speak with you.
We've been speaking with Bruce Chatterton, who is the CEO of American Aeromedical Incorporated, who gave a great presentation here today, which will also be on the site. I'm Dave Gardy here for the Veterans Roll Call on the Vet Business Network on US Vets TV. Stay tuned for more.
Thank you.